everybody, and welcome to the channel. And this is my Saturday showcase. I'm going to show you some of the things I got from Temu. Let me zoom out, get a better look. Okay, so I've been on the die kick for a while, like in die cuts and stuff. So I ordered mostly die cuts, but I did get some more of the snap binders for my little machine. And this came with several different colors. It came with purple, it came with blue, darker blue, peach, a pastel green, kind of a clear orange, an orange, a red, a really orange, black, and a white. These orange and black, I'll see if Miss Sandy over at Decorate Your Life comes out with something orangey for Halloween, and if not, I'll go. She's got a couple other digi kits I'll order. So anyhow, love her kits. Her I want to say it was the In Vogue. It was the one with the black pumpkins. Oh my god, it was gorgeous. Anyhow, it was one of my favorites. So, all right, what else we got? All right, and this I got because it has nothing to do with crafts. Although you could use it, like you could use it to hold your glitter. I got it because I'm making my own spices, and I do use a lot of salt, pepper. So I ordered more of these, and when they get here, I will be putting them on my spice jars. Next up, what are we going to reach in here and get? All right, I got a bunch of these because I'm going to make some flowers, and I thought these would be cool centers. And then I'm going to draw your attention back over to Decorate Your Life. She just did a really cool video on rosettes. So I'll link her YouTube channel in the description box, and that's a great place to use these, which is what I'm going to do. And look at these. These are so cool. Can't believe they didn't put it in a resealable bag. Interesting though, they're pretty cool. They're just really neat. So I'm going to use them. I don't know where, but I'm going to use them. Look at that. Aren't those cool? They're very, very shiny. Like they got a gold. They're almost, we call it holographic. Got all kinds of colors in one. So I got those. Let's see. Let me dump it into my collection up here. Is this my collection? I don't think that's my collection. I have a collection. That might have been my collection. That might have, well, I have another collection. I just don't want them to go very far once I open them. Let's throw that away. And then, look at this. Here's more of the flowers, just a different kind. And then I believe that was, nope, then look at the mushrooms, guys. Aren't they cute? Aren't they adorable? Let's see if I can. I like it when they have the resealable bag because I can open them, look at it, and then reseal it. Excuse me. There we go. These are adorable. Aren't they cute? Okay, what else? I think that was it in this bag. So then I decided I was going to, I love this. Look at this jar. Isn't this cute? Just a little mason jar that you could layer up. You could make all kinds of stuff with this. Greeting cards, shakers, get well kits. Just a lot of different things. I got those. Then I got these, and these are for layering, and this is, when I saw Sandy's video, I was like, I have the perfect thing! Sandy, I have the perfect thing! See, this one is the one that you circle up, I think, yeah. And then you got this one, and this one, and this one. So I'm going to cut these pieces out and see how they look together, you know, how they work. And then I'm going to do the Sandy method and see how they turn out. They may be cute. They may be a bust. I don't know. We're going to find out. We'll do those together. And the same thing with this one. No, I just love making flowers. I think that might be an Etta J thing. She got me hooked on the flowers. Isn't that cute? I'm not sure what that is. Sometimes they don't always show you in the... Sometimes they'll show you a picture of a card and you can kind of get it, but I don't know what that's for. I know that's the center. See, it goes this way, and then that goes in the center. And then one of those. Oh my goodness. I'm going to have some fun with that. You'll have to see what I made. And then these are the little jars. I just thought these were cute. These would make good if you made 2 of them. You could do page tabs with them, especially these ones. I just thought they were cute. Don't ask me why, but I did. These little jars. And then here's another of the flowers. Again, these layer up. You just go from the largest down to the smallest. And you make a really pretty flower. Okay, so did those come in there? Yeah, seems like an awful small envelope, doesn't it? And then these flowers. So that was it. That was basically, I got another couple of orders coming, but that was it for this one. Yeah, that was it. So I'm going to play with some dies later in the week. And then this guy. So same thing. They just layer up. Largest down to the smallest. And then you have your leaves. So we'll play with that. I'm going to pull out some of my old Decorate Your Life scraps because there's several of her. Remember I told you I had a Sandy scrap box? Well, I put all of that in there, and these are going to make perfect flowers, perfect things. And when I do, I'll show them to you. All right? Okay, that was it for this haul, guys. I appreciate all of you for being here, and I hope you'll stick around for more fun yet to come. And know that you are appreciated. Have a great, beautiful, and wonderful rest of your week and the week coming up. Thank you so much for crafting with the Diva today. I truly appreciate you spending this creative time with me. If you've enjoyed this project, please like, subscribe, and share. Until next time, keep it creative, keep it inspired, and I'll see you soon.